Welcome back to Ride 360. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that proves you don't need crazy horsepower or spaceship technology to have an unforgettable ride. This is the 2026 Kawasaki W230, and honestly, this bike feels like a love letter to classic motorcycling with just the right touch of modern life support. If you're into retro style, chill rides, and that pure connection between rider and machine, you're going to love what Kawasaki has done here. The first thing that hits you is the design. The W230 doesn't scream for attention, it earns it quietly. That teardrop fuel tank, the deep paint finish, the old-school Kawasaki badging, and those clean chrome touches give it a timeless personality. It looks like a bike your dad or even your granddad would have admired, but parked next to modern machines, it still turns heads. The round LED headlight keeps the classic face intact while giving you modern brightness and visibility. Same story at the rear, retro shape, modern lighting tech. It's the kind of bike people walk up to at fuel stations just to ask, "What year is this?" Under that old-school look sits a 233cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, and don't let the numbers fool you. This engine isn't built for racing, it's built for feeling. It delivers smooth, predictable power that's perfect for city streets and relaxed highway cruising. The throttle response is gentle but lively enough to keep things fun. You twist the grip, and the bike moves with a calm confidence instead of an aggressive punch. It's beginner-friendly but still enjoyable for experienced riders who just want to slow life down a bit. The sound is another part of the charm. That single-cylinder thump has a soft, mechanical rhythm that feels honest. It's not loud or showy, it's soothing. You hear the engine working, you feel the vibrations through the bars and seat, and it reminds you that you're riding something real, not just pressing buttons on a machine. Now let's talk about the ride feel. The W230 is lightweight, and you notice that immediately. Whether you're weaving through traffic, making tight U-turns, or just pushing it around the garage, it feels easy and friendly. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make it super comfortable. Your back stays straight, your arms are relaxed, and your knees sit naturally against the tank. This is the kind of bike you can ride for hours without feeling beaten up. The suspension setup is simple but well-tuned. Telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear keep that classic look alive, but the ride quality is surprisingly modern. Bumpy city roads, speed breakers, and uneven surfaces are handled smoothly. It's not a sport bike suspension, of course, but it doesn't need to be. It's built for everyday roads and relaxed cruising, and in that role, it does a great job. Braking is confident too. You get a front disc brake paired with a rear disc, supported by dual-channel ABS. That means even in sudden stops or slippery conditions, you've got safety backing you up. For new riders, that's a big confidence booster. For experienced riders, it's just good peace of mind. One of the best things about the W230 is how unintimidating it feels. Some bikes make you feel like you have to handle them. This one feels like it works with you. Clutch pull is light, gear shifts are smooth, and the power delivery is forgiving. In heavy traffic, it doesn't overheat your legs or demand constant attention. It just rolls along happily. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. With a small, efficient engine, the W230 sips fuel, making it perfect for daily commuting. You can ride longer between fuel stops, and that makes it practical as well as fun. The tank size combined with good mileage gives it a respectable range, ideal for weekend rides out of the city. Despite the retro theme, Kawasaki didn't ignore modern needs. The instrument cluster keeps a classic round design but includes a digital inset for useful info like fuel gauge, trip meter, and other basics. It's simple, clear, and easy to read, no complicated menus, no distractions. You get what you need and nothing you don't. Another thing riders will love is how customizable this bike is. The W230 is like a blank canvas. You can turn it into a cafe racer, a scrambler-style build, or keep it stock and classy. Add a different seat, bar end mirrors, a small windscreen, or a luggage rack, it adapts to your personality easily. Kawasaki knows riders in this segment love personal touches, and the bike's design supports that. On the highway, the W230 is happiest at moderate speeds. It's not built for 150 km/h blasts, but cruising comfortably at legal speeds feels relaxed and stable. The engine doesn't feel stressed, and the bike tracks straight. Wind blast is there, as expected on a naked retro machine, but it's part of the experience. For beginners, this bike is gold. Manageable power, low seat height, light weight, and friendly manners make learning smooth and less scary. But it's not just a starter bike. Many experienced riders are choosing simple, smaller bikes like this because they bring back the joy of riding without the pressure of extreme performance. The quality feel is also worth mentioning. The paint finish, chrome details, and metal components give it a premium vibe. It doesn't feel cheap or plastic heavy. Kawasaki has balanced cost and quality nicely here. What makes the 2026 Kawasaki W230 special isn't one big feature, it's the overall vibe. It's about slowing down, enjoying the road, and riding for the feeling instead of speed numbers. It reminds you why motorcycles became popular in the first place: freedom, simplicity, and that unique connection between rider and machine. This is the bike for sunset rides, for early morning coffee runs, for cruising through town with no rush. It's stylish without trying too hard, modern without losing its soul, and simple without being boring. So if you're someone who loves classic design, easy riding, great fuel economy, and a motorcycle that makes every ride feel relaxed and enjoyable, the Kawasaki W230 might just be your perfect match. It proves that small bikes can deliver big smiles. And honestly, in a world full of complex machines and endless distractions, a motorcycle like this feels like a breath of fresh air. Simple key, simple start, simple ride, and sometimes, that's exactly what we need.